Today is crazy. It is day 364. And that is cuckoo bananas. And of course, as you know, because yesterday I told you what the last 2 of the 3 of the final days were going to be for the channel. The Soap and Clay Kidlet number 2 is going to be making some soap and telling us all about it, you know, in the thing. But I have to do my thing because it's been 364 days of doing it and I can't not do it now before I send you to the actual video and intro and roll it. I'm Mrs. Soap and Clay. Let's make stuff. How's it going, Sudsers? Welcome back to the channel. You are at Soap and Clay, where we make all the soapy things, and you are here for day 364 of day 365 days of soap. And yeah, the Soap and Clay Kidlet number 2 is doing another soap. Now, she did soaps very early on in the channel. Within the first week, she was doing, both of them were doing melt and pour soaps, gemstone soaps, and you know, a couple months into that, they were both making their own cold process batches of soaps. And so we thought it was very fitting to sort of send off year 1, kind of how we began. Because one of the reasons why I decided to start the soap channel was kids are home. I can't do classes anymore. I'm teaching them, and they actually started taking a bigger interest in the soap shop because I'm literally teaching them at the shop, and it all kind of spun from there. And so it makes sense that they got to help me send off the year, really, and it's awesome. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking now because you definitely want to listen to Soap and Clay Kidlet number 2 because she's wildly more interesting than me, and she like has this YouTube spiel thing down pat. So let's go check out her pour and she can tell you all about it. Okay, so it is day 364, and Soap and Clay Kidlet number 2 is making her soap today.
True.
And true. Hello, you're here.
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are.
I'm just here for no reason at all.
You're here for no reason at all?
Well, yeah, I am, so I can do this voiceover.
That's right. You just waved at the camera, so I think the reason is you want to talk about the soap that you made, right?
Oh, and by the way, I am wearing glasses, safety first, and I'm wearing gloves.
Yeah, safety first. You're wearing goggles and gloves. That's right. I love that. So you can't really see your hands here, but you're basically running that stick blender. I'm just sort of balancing it, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And yeah.
So did you find the stick blending hard?
No.
No, why not?
Because it's easy to do and I'm a strong baby.
You are a strong baby, but also, have you done this before? Have you?
Yes!
Oh, gosh, a little bit loud. Have you, whoa, that was my eardrum, baby.
I have done this.
You have done it before. Yeah, that's right. So, do you remember the last soap that you made?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was it?
I forgot the name of it.
You forgot the name?
Yeah.
I actually forgot the name too. But you did a cool, like, slab pour with, like, some ocean waves, right?
Sure. Yep, I did. And this is me making my soap, and yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, no, I mean, this is very exciting for sure. Now, did you want to go with swirls or layers? Because your sister did layers.
I wanted to go with swirls.
Swirls and layers, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so for that reason, we're measuring out 2 different portions here so you can do the first layer of swirls. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Do you remember what you did for the first colors? I mean, there's one. Do you know what the other one is?
Teal and purple.
Teal and purple. All right. Cool.
Okay.
I love it.
So, let's see what this does.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what it does. What do you think it's going to do?
exactly what it gives.
Exactly what it did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We're not going to tell them what it did? We're going to make them wait for the cut?
Yes, you guys have to wait. And if you don't like this video, click off it, but please subscribe.
Oh, that's so nice of you. Look at that. If you don't like this video, click off of it, but please subscribe. I noticed how you didn't say to leave a dislike. Do you know the funny thing about dislikes? It's still engaging with the channel, and so the algorithm, the analytics are still working in my favor. Like, they still helped me. Isn't that cool and weird?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. So, I love these two colors that you have going on here.
I like them too.
Yeah.
I like how I'm just like mixing teal with purple.
That's a really
awesome.
It's a great color combo right there. For sure.
Yeah, it is.
I approve that. I think that's great. Now we have to put the scent in. Do you remember what scent blend you ended up going with?
No.
I don't either. I know you have the black pepper bergamot in there, but...
Yeah, I just completely randomized that.
You did randomize it. You definitely have some smoked vanilla in there too, so it might get real weird. But you want to go check out this pour?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, and on to the pour of this. And so what are we doing? Talk to us about it.
So I'm pouring the purple in first. This is my favorite layer that's coming soon.
Oh yeah, well let's not tell them about the favorite layer that's coming soon. Let's talk about this one.
Yeah, this one, I just did a really cool swirl design. Not gonna blurt it out though.
Sure, okay, you're not gonna blurt that out. I like it. Now were the Pyrex kind of heavy?
No.
They weren't heavy?
No, how would those be heavy? Look at what I'm doing. I'm just swirling in like a 8 pattern. Yeah, I'm making 8s everywhere.
Okay, cool. Are those 8s?
Yeah.
Not really. Kind of like waves. I don't see that you're crossing over. Or figure 8. Oh, maybe that little last one was there. It's very pretty. That's cool. That'd be a really pretty skewered top for sure. But this is the bottom layer of your soap. And so your next layer is going to be what?
I don't want to blow it out. No.
You can tell. Look, we're making it right now. So there's black. There's black. You also have the white going on there too. So what? This is the black and white layer?
Yep. It's one of my personal favorites.
One of your personal favorites.
But my favorite one is going to be coming up soon.
Oh, so the third layer of swirls is your favorite.
No one knows. I don't remember which one is my favorite.
Oh, you don't remember?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, I remember the colors, but I don't remember which layer.
Oh, okay, cool. So you remember how many layers you did?
Yeah.
Now, when did we pour this?
Yesterday?
Day before yesterday.
Yeah.
So 2 days ago. And you don't remember what you did either?
Doesn't look like I remember.
I don't know. I don't really super remember the process for some of this stuff too. This is why it's cool to have it on video. And it's kind of like we're watching it for the first time all over again, even though we made it.
Yeah.
It's wildly different making versus watching it, right?
Yep.
It is pretty different. Now the way that you're pouring that in, that's pretty different too. And then you were kind of concerned, right? Why were you concerned?
Because I couldn't see the white.
You couldn't see the white, that's right. Did you find a way to fix that maybe?
No, it just showed up at the bottom with cool pattern.
Oh, okay, cool. So, but you did do some cool swirls in there. Yeah, there you go. You took the stick to it again, huh?
Yep, I'm just swirling and twirling. Oh my gosh, what am I doing?
I think you're swirling.
Yeah, oh, look, some of the white is coming up.
Yeah, you were talking about that during that time too. Talking about the white that was coming up, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So what else about this? I know that you really want to go back and like hang out and play with your friend or whatever instead of talking to the peoples about this. But this is your very last soap on the channel or for the year. And that's kind of crazy. So don't you want to chit chat about that?
Yes, I do so much.
Okay, cool, cool, cool. And so the next layer is the pink and blue.
My favorite.
Your favorite? Favorite colors? Are they your favorite colors?
No, only one of them is one of my favorite.
So the blue is your favorite color. Is that right?
The pink is my first favorite.
Oh, I know. I'm just messing with you.
The blue is my third favorite.
I'm just messing with you. I know your favorite color is pink. That hasn't changed since like the day you were born. That and puppies. Pink and puppies. And candy.
I don't want to say. Don't you dare make me say what I said on Halloween once.
No, I won't. I won't. That's a story that you can tell whenever you want. Now, this was actually a little bit different there because you decided to put half the mold pink and the other half the mold blue. And I was telling you, I was like, okay, well, that means that for like half of the bars in the batch, it'll have a pink top and the other half will have blue top. And you're like, no, Mom, I'm doing something different.
Guys, can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Once on one of my Halloween hints, I said, I want candy.
Yeah, that's true. So
and once I said, I love pink and puppies.
You did. Yeah, that's true.
That's just me, the person who loves doing that.
That's true. We have videos of both of those things. It was your, technically your second Halloween because you were just a couple months old for your first Halloween. So you were just a year and like 2 months for your second Halloween when you were trying to say trick or treat, and then you got really frustrated and you're like, no, I want candy. That was very funny and such a long time ago. You've grown up so much since then. But this is really cool skewering skills. You got some cool purple going on in the middle there, and I quite like that. Actually, I thought about this after you did it, and I decided that I was going to make a bar doing exactly this, like splitting the mold in half like that, like a slab for different layers, and doing all the things. Did you just whisper in my ear to do something?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. She just whispered something and I'm not telling you because it's her secret. That's a good one. I'm going to do this in a slab because I thought that was a really cool idea, and then every layer could be an alternating. So if it's blue on one side and pink on the other, then it's going to be pink on the other side and blue on the other. All the thing. It started forming in my mind as I was watching you do this. It was cool, is the point. Now what's going on with this one?
Well, this is my last layer because the mold isn't full. I'm just pouring it on the top and then smoothing it out.
Okay, that's awesome. Oh my gosh, I just got a text message from your daddy. He's getting home early today. That's exciting. He's going to be home like 4 hours early.
Yes!
I know, it's exciting.
Yes, my daddy was gone for freaking 4 days.
Yeah, he travels for work a lot, doesn't he? It's all crazy. Now, are you just going to leave the yellow like this? Is that what we're doing? Oh, no, okay. I guess I started to do this. And you got mad at me, actually. And you're like, no, I'm going to do this.
Yeah, but then I was like, actually, I want to do this.
Yeah. That's when you got mad at me and said, no, Mom, I'm going to take care of it.
I actually wanted to do swirl, and I was like, never mind, I actually want to do this. And then I just made this.
Yeah, and you figured out a really cool way to smooth the yellow over the pink so the whole top layer was yellow, which is pretty awesome. Now, is the soap done at this point?
Yep.
It's done?
Yep.
It's done. Is it done?
Yeah.
It's done?
No.
No. What comes next?
Cutting?
Not the cutting. Did you forget about the stuff you put on the top?
Oh yeah, guys. There might have been little animals tortured in this, don't worry.
There might have been little animals tortured in this. Yeah, don't worry. No real animals were tortured, right? We're cruelty-free.
Yeah.
We don't test on animals. Except for you. Are you an animal?
No, I am not!
I mean, technically you are. But yeah.
I will flick you next time.
Don't flick me. So, what do you have going on here? You're standing up little animals in there. You've got some, like, ducks and chickens and frogs and penguins and stuff, right?
No, I only have ducks, a bunch of ducks and bears. All of those together equals 21.
21, yeah. She put 21 animals on top of this soap. 21
Just
example.
Don't ask.
21
Okay.
exactly, rather. For 21 Pilots, right? Because that's like your favorite band?
I don't know that band.
You don't know that band, no. What's your favorite music right now? Come back up here so you can talk to me.
Five Nights at Freddy's, come if you are ready. Five Nights at Freddy's, Five Nights at me.
Yep, that's it. Five Nights at Freddy's. That's your favorite right now. That's all I think. FNAF. You guys are FNAF obsessed, right?
Yes, I even have the game, Sister Location, and FNAF.
You sure do.
I'm too obsessed.
You are very obsessed. And do you find him scary?
No.
Okay, cool. I find what we have done to this soap not scary, but super interesting for sure. And I'm really looking forward to the cut. How about you?
Me too. And by the way, guys, leave a like and comment down below if you like it.
I really enjoyed that little plug at the end back there. Please like and subscribe and comment below. What do you want them to comment below?
If they think they like mine.
Oh, they think you like yours. Now we have some weird discoloration because you did not put any gray in there and a lot of your stuff went gray. That could be because of the smoked vanilla that we put in.
Yeah, but guys, make sure to subscribe and leave a like down below.
See, you heard it. You heard it from Soap and Clay Kidlet number 2. How can you refuse her? Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. But what do you want to put down below? What comment do you want them to put?
Comment if you like my sister's soap better or mine.
Oh, we're not going to pit you guys against each other. That's not fun. That's not fun. Look at that one. Do you see the crow in that one?
Yeah.
There's totally like a crow.
I made crows.
You did. You made crows with your cool swirls. That was really awesome. For sure. And I was showing you like just there. I was like, see, there's a crow in yours too. What do you think of these soaps?
Mom, did you ever notice if you put all of them all together, it looks like a raven flying?
Oh, yeah. The ones that were just cut on the side? That does look like a raven flying. That's pretty cool. So what do you think of these? Do you love them?
Yep.
The color went very interesting, right? But I still think it's super beautiful. How about you?
Me too. I love this soap, and I made it, and yeah, it's beautiful. I'm glad one of the duckies didn't get harmed. I have 2 duckies at the shop still.
Yeah, how many of these ones got decapitated or split in half? Do you remember?
Like 20 of the 21.
20 of the 21 ended up getting cut through?
So only like 1 survived.
Well, that one survived too, so I guess more than 1, right? Because that guy survived.
I guess 2.
See, that one's cute. You got 1 there.
3. So 3 survived.
That's not bad. Yeah, for sure. You did a great job on these. Yeah, for sure. They're beautiful soaps. Are you happy with them?
Yep.
Yeah, good. Do you like this one better or last one better?
I like this one better.
Cool. Yeah. I think this one's pretty awesome. Your skills are really insane. Thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me today, Scout.
Which day is this?
364. Your soap. And there it is. Soap Clay Kidlet number 2's 4 batch thing. Yes, and of course it's beautiful. Of course it's awesome. I mean, seeing the soapy world, seeing the world in general through a mind of a 6-year-old is always fantastic. And so I'm always here for that. But then watching their soapy creations come to life, like in real time, as they're talking about it and telling why they did what they did, it's delightful. And it's one of the reasons why I do what I do. So I love it. I love her. I love everything about what she did today. And if you are interested in purchasing Soap and Clay Kidlet number 2 soaps, she'll let you do it for a limited time. And she actually had to make new batches because she wanted to give them to all of her friends too. So it was all a big thing. But anyway, yeah, you can find them at soapandclay.com right now. Limited time for sure. If you are interested in the final day of this whole crazy soapy journey and seeing if we come back for year 2, subscribe to the channel and then you'll know. That would be awesome. Seriously, stop unsubscribing though, because like, just because I'm coming back. It's all, anyway, I do appreciate everyone who has joined me every day or for the last week or last 3 months or whenever you started joining us for this round of soapy fun craziness. And I appreciate you today on day 364 as well. Thank you so much. I'm out of here for today. I will be back tomorrow for the last round of this year's soapy fun. Bye.